This had been a problem for a very long time. GCICs were not updated. You have inaccurate information. It's a problem for the defendants because their criminal history is not updated.
I mean, nothing worse than somebody being arrested, having that case dismissed, and then for 2 years it sits there without a disposition.
We're talking about someone that can't get an apartment because something's on their background, or can't get a decent job.
The number that hit us immediately was that we have 1.5 million pieces of data that are not accurately input into the criminal database. Fulton County alone. That was a cry for help.
The fix is collaboration. The justice partners were open-minded. They allowed me to go in and say, hey, can I go into your organization? Can we look through this data and make some determinations? The sheriff was on board. The DA was on board. The solicitor was on board.
I think there was a true call to action that it was a good opportunity for the private sector to get involved in public safety.
Making sure that our judges had full criminal history in front of them when they had a defendant before them in court, to make sure that if they were a repeat offender, that they were being appropriately judged by the bench.
So to see Fulton County go from 40% to 90% accuracy means that lives are going to be changed and we're going to be safer.
The model of what was done in Fulton County by the Metro Atlanta Chamber and the Fulton County Clerk's Office is something that can be applied anywhere. It's a playbook of how you do things, and it fit right into what we were doing because Fulton County was experiencing the same things that we were challenged to face on a statewide level.
When they found out we had already done the work in Fulton County, creating standard operating procedures, it was just a match made in heaven.
Quite frankly, the work the Metro Atlanta Chamber did put us, I want to say, years ahead.
I can't tell you what a tremendous job the Metro Atlanta Chamber did with this. To bring all the criminal justice partners together, it's a hard thing to do. Have been a part of that particular system, it's hard to bring all those particular parties together and get them on the same page. And the fact that they were able to do that and get us working together is tremendous, and we cannot thank them enough.
This project may not have been sexy, but it had big impact on the outcomes of public safety.
They wanted to make a difference. Public safety is important to everyone. And without the Metro Atlanta Chamber, we would still be in the same place that we were years ago.